Welcome again. It's your boy Harsh with another video. First of all, guys, I want to thank you everybody who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Guys, it's been a long time, man. We haven't saved a graph, okay? Let's save it. Okay, let's save Histogram and Pareto chart. That's right. Seriously? Pareto? Seriously? What kind of name is that? Pareto. Sounds like a fake ass, stupid ass, hungry ass party girl asking for more paradas in a Karachi hotel. Enough.
Control.
This is really simple. Use this chart when you want to show the distribution of the continuous data under different groups called beans. Okay, now what's the difference, right? Both the graphs are pretty much same. Okay, the only difference is that Pareto chart is percentage distribution in descending order. Okay, that's it. For example, let's just say we want to show the distribution of the snake size by country. Okay, in that case our beans would be 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 9 to 10. You know how it works. Feet or inches, you decide. You got the idea. Let's plot the chart. Let me really see the data, man. What? No, man, no. How that's possible, man? How come? Come on, man, how come? Bro, we are second largest country by population, but third last in snake size? That's impossible, man. Small snakes, bro, small snakes, only above Thailand and Cambodia? Come on, man. No wonder why we love Thailand now. And high population, low snake size. They're small, dog, but they're most active.
Control, Uday.
Hey guys, so you can see the data. Okay, these are the different countries. This is the average height of a man for that country, and this is the weight of a man for that country. Okay, so now let's just say we want to plot the histogram for the average height around the world, right? So you can see this is the continuous data. Okay, you can see it, right? So we want to show the distribution. Histogram is the perfect choice. So select the data. We don't have to select the country information because histogram shows the frequency, so we don't need this. Okay, just select the data of the average height. Same process, go to insert. This symbol right here is the histogram symbol. Click it and boom, see, this is your histogram. Okay, for the height you can type down height around the, so you can see it, right? This is the bin. These are the bean. Okay, you can change the bean size. Let's just say number of beans is 7 right now. I can say I just need a 5 beans and boom. Okay, so whatever the appropriate for your data, use that bean size. Okay, so 2-inch bean width, right? 5.2 to 5.4, 5.4 to 5.5, 5.5 to 5.7, and so on. Okay, we can change it. We can write down bean width here 0.1, let's just say. So it's 5.2 to 5.3, 5.3 to 5.4, and so on. Okay, you decide, man, you decide. Okay, let's just say we're gonna keep it to the 7. Okay, good. Now as you can see, okay, 5.5 to 5.9, I mean most of the countries have this height. Okay, about 35 countries. Okay, so this height range, the frequency is 35. Then this height range has a frequency of 33, right? So you get it, right? This is the histogram. Okay, the same thing if you want to show in percentage, use Pareto chart. Let's plot the Pareto chart. Same thing, select the data, insert. This right here is Pareto chart, right? See, this is Pareto chart. Right side is a percentage. Basically this is the same frequency. Okay, and this is descending order, as I told you, right? Descending order. Okay, cool. So you can say, suppose if we see the 50% line, that means the touch here, that means 50% of the country has height between 5.6, 5.7 and 5.8. Okay, so that's it, man. You can, so this is the perfect distribution if you want to show the data for the long form of data, let's just say. Okay, this is it, guys. We can same do it for the weight and so on. That's it. That was quite disappointing, man. Our snake rankings, the graph, that was simple, amazing. It's alright. You know, next episode gonna be about line and area chart combined. I'll see you next time. Peace. You know, I have a serious question for y'all. Does size really matter? I mean, at the end of the day, it's still a goddamn snake, okay? It gonna bite your ass the same way. Painful. Say what?
Control